What's the meaning of accused? Accused. 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 The word accused means to charge someone with a crime or wrongdoing. It can also be used as a noun to refer to the person who has been charged with a crime. When someone is accused of a crime, they are presumed innocent until proven guilty. They have the right to a fair trial and to be represented by an attorney. If found guilty, they may be sentenced to jail time, probation, or other penalties. Briefly, accused means to charge someone with a crime or wrongdoing. The accused is presumed innocent until proven guilty.